Are you a homeowner in India who's planning to get their home renovated this year? Are you going to do your interiors from somebody else who you're not sure about? Or are you going to spend a lot of money for the next 20 years to make sure that you're comfortable? Well, watch this video till the end because this is the perfect video for you, where I'll be explaining why interior design is just all about common sense and how to make better decisions. You see, Indians spend a lot on developing their homes because we believe a home is the center of our life. And believe it or not, common sense can help you go a long way. I've renovated my own house using common sense when I did not have any knowledge of interiors. You see, in this field, there are a lot of different people who might try to fool you because you don't have common knowledge. And any design element that seems out of place while developing your home can be a nightmare for you for the next 20 years. So that's why you need to have your execution on point, because all of the results will be in front of you for everybody to see. But how do you understand what common sense to use and where? Well, that's what I'm here for. Let's talk about the three major parts of interior design. The first is ideation, the second is planning, and the third one is execution. And all three of these are as important as the other. You can apply a little bit of common sense and understand each one of these by yourself before you hire any contractor or any interior designer. Let's dig into these three parts of ideation, planning, and execution. And don't miss out because I've included a small tip for you as well. Number 1. Ideation. Use your common sense to look at the world around you. Collect different ideas that you like. Some certain colors, some certain materials, or some certain furniture items from a lot of Instagram ads that we see around us. Maybe some TV ads, maybe a shop that you visit, or even your relatives that are renovating their own home. There are a lot of people around you that can offer you this reference. You can also use apps like Pinterest or Instagram or even YouTube to try and come up with a theme for your house. You should try and have a theme for your house, as it will help you select the colors and the furniture items, such as you want a plant-based house or you want a beige colored wood finish. So those all are themes that you can select. And this theme only will make it easier for the next two steps. One tip from my side would be to make sure the requirements of the other people that are living in a house, because it's just not your own house, but also the home of the people you are sharing it with. Number 2 is planning. Well, planning can come in different forms. You can have big sheets, you can have blueprints of your entire house, and you can have an entire list of items, but you still cannot be well planned. That's because your ideas need to know how to come to life. That is known as planning. So all the ideas that you've collected in the first part need to be planned well and then executed. If you just haphazardly place things around your house or construct one part before the other, then it might cause problems later on. So there are two more options here. You can also approach different interior designers or architects or companies such as LiveSpace to help plan your project. You might go with some good ideas and come out with a plan on how to execute your dream home. A tip from my side would be to remember that while planning your dream house might seem amazing and fantastic, you should always put your budget first. Now coming on to the last part, which is execution. Execution is a fairly simple part when it comes to applying your common sense, because all of the things will be present in front of your two eyes. But if you are not hiring any interior designer or any architect, make sure that you hire slow and fire fast. No matter what they say, all these contractors care only about the money they're getting paid from the project, regardless of the project quality. That being said, you can always get good contractors that provide you amazing quality at very nice rates. But make sure that you're verifying all their details and their past works if it is possible for you. So the number 1 tip would be to try and ask these contractors or interior designers to show you their portfolio or their past work to understand how they will execute your project. Ideation and planning is one part, but without execution, it is nothing. So you need a good executor to execute all your dream plans. So these are the 3 different parts of interior design where you can apply your common sense and hopefully save a little bit of money while also making your dream home come true. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the next coming videos for more such informative content. Happy homemaking!